Hey, it's Megan Bird with Kelly Day Portraits, and today I'm showing a very dark look. It would be super fun to do it for like a big concert, a night out, or even Halloween, maybe. But if you want to see how I got this look, then keep watching. So first off, I go in and do my concealer, and I put that pretty much all over the lid. Then once you have that, I go in with that same brown that I always use, that light brown, and just go in and I shape the shape that I want with this. And with a very dark dramatic look like this, you definitely want to wait, you definitely want to do your eyes before you do your face makeup with this. And I go in a little bit more than the outside. I go in the middle with on the eyelid. And then I go into a even darker brown. And I really just start darkening it. And you can always use concealer or a makeup wipe to shape how you want it. I'll let that dry. Then in our Lime Life's Bare Metals, I'm going to go in with this almost kind of green shade to it, but it has some shimmer, and I'm going to do that under the eye. And also bringing that color up to that sharp line. I'm going to go back in. And then just building up the darkness. And with it being so dark, when you want to blend to your eyebrows, you work it light. So I'm doing that light brown, and that's how I'm blending out the dark. If you get too high, then you can clean it. So especially with a dark, dramatic look, you do not want to go too high to your eyebrows. And let that dry. And then I'm going to go into a shimmer shade and just kind of put it on the inner, but then also blend all that dark into it. Okay. And back into that greenish shimmer. And then I'm actually taking that up into as an eyeliner to smoke up the eyeliner even more. And then going with a blending brush and in that medium brown, smoke the bottom out. And then here's the real deal. is the eyeliner to darken up the look. So I'm doing the eyeliner super thick, and I bring it all the way into the tear duct. And then you can always build up with the darkness. So I'm going to go in with a black and go under that eye. And then that lighter brown and smoking that out as well. And I think that is the look. So, it takes some going back and forth from dark to trying to blend it with, your normal, like, browns. And, I mean, especially for, like, my skin tone and my hair type, I've only, like, used mainly browns, and it looks pretty dark. So, always think about, like a lighter shade. You can always work on dark instead of going straight black. So don't be afraid to go darker than you think you can, because you can just always build up, and so with all that time spent building up on the darkness, just go dark. So let me know what you think about this look, and if you would wear it out for an event at all. Drop me any comments that you have on this episode, and be sure to subscribe. Bye, guys.